How to redeem DoorDash coupon code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in DoorDash coupon code and search for it. With that, different website links will appear. You can head towards any of the website. All these websites are for the promo codes. You can just open it. After you open it, you're gonna find great deals for DoorDash. You can head towards this section of coupon code, click on it. Now over here, you're gonna find all the coupon codes. You can see that 50% off, 25% off, and so on. Head towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Click on the option of view coupon. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. Now you can copy it. Once you copy it, now click on this option of visit DoorDash. With that, you will be directed to the official website of DoorDash. Now you have to log into your account, so go ahead and click on the option of login. If you haven't created your account yet, click on the option of sign up and register for your DoorDash account. If you do have your account, you can type in your credentials and log into your account. Once you log in, browse through the menu and head towards the item that you want to purchase. Select the items and add them to the cart. Once you add the items to the cart, now you have to check out. While checking out, you will find the option of coupon code. Over there, you have to paste the coupon code that you have copied. Now you can provide your payment details and confirm your order. With that, your coupon code will be redeemed. So this way you can redeem any coupon code on DoorDash. Well, that's all for this video. This is how you can easily redeem DoorDash coupon code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.